to your friends and your seniors and your juniors. So we'll start the session within a few minutes. I would like to introduce today's presenter, ACE Engineering Academy faculty and great motivational speaker, S. Manimohan Tina sir, here with us. Sir achieved the Best Teacher Award 2019 by ESN Publications, All India 15th rank in EDC VLSA conducted by IISc under NPTEL. Certified University Topper in Masters in Electronics, Certified Project at ATIEPI Central Government of India, 8th third rank in Sri Venkateswara University Entrance Examination, 8th third rank in Acharya Nagarjuna University Entrance Examination, 8th 12th rank in Andhra University Entrance Examination, 8th 4th rank in Usmania University Entrance Examination. Achieved World Book of Records in 2020 for participating as one of the keynote speaker in a mass event organized by ESN Publications as one of the longest international conference following the duration of 150 hours continuously. Now I am handovering the session to Tina sir. Please continue, sir.
Yes, Dinesh, thank you so much. Dinesh, is my voice audible? Clear?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Clear, sir.
Thank you so much. So, respected professors and all my dear students of electrical engineering, that is EEE, electronics and electrical engineering, right? Great. So, very good afternoon to everyone, dear students. You know, since 2010, I went to many engineering universities and I asked a common question to many students. How did you plan your career after completion of engineering? BTech होने के बाद, how did you plan your career? Like many students replied, मुझे job चाहिए, वो भी सरकारी का नौकरी चाहिए. So students are very much interested to go for government jobs. Super, that is fine. But second year students, they replied unexpected answer. I was surprised. Second year students replied, we need technology related jobs like embedded systems, nanochip designing, robotics, artificial intelligence systems, mechatronics, smart drone technology, smart grid technology, whatnot. The second year students replied, we need a technology. मुझे technology तरह का jobs चाहिए. My God. I asked, why? Why technology? You know what second years told? Sir, COVID-19 is the best example. After COVID-19, I think like the world understand that they need to invest more percentage in two sectors. Every country in the world understand they need to invest more percentage in two sectors. The first one is healthcare sector. The first one is what? Healthcare sector. The second is technology sector. Without technology, I think due to COVID-19, there is a big break for education system, big break for industries, big break for revenue generations. It is only because of the technology the systems are running in a proper way. My God, superb answer, I believe. So students clearly told that every country's government is investing more percentage in technology. I believe the future will be the technology. So we love to go towards the technology related jobs. That is a clear vision they have. I'm so happy. So like that, multiple students, they replied, मुझे job चाहिए. That's it. So इसलिए in this webinar, let me explain you the proper job opportunities what we have after completion of engineering. Let me concentrate more on the job opportunities based on the research what I have done. Okay, the work what I have done. I'll be explaining you the job opportunities what we have. In that, first, let me consider the private sector. The answer is only here. I'm not considering government sector first. I'm considering private sector. Students, for triple E, private sector, if you ask me, you please try to divide the private sector into four different ways. First one, technology-based companies. Technology-based companies, matlab kya hai, sir? The companies which do research on the technology, develop the products based on the technology, and sell those products. वो कंपनीज हम कहता है कि ये टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड कंपनीज और प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज, इस कंपनीज में हम ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी देना जरूरी है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्योंकि जस्ट बिफोर एक्सप्लेन, ये फ्यूचर इज टेक्नोलॉजी. No doubt the package will be, that is like, I think you can expect like 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum for freshers. Of course, that is electrical triple E students. So try to give it as a highest priority. Second, core companies. Pata hai na dear students, core companies, pure electrical based companies with reference to the transformers, motors, generators, transmission distribution lines, electric engines, whatnot. We consider them as like core companies. So most of the core companies are NCs, nationalized companies. Don't expect high package from core companies. It will be started like, to say 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, 4 lakhs. वो range में रहता dear students. But what you studied for 4 years, what job you got, absolutely the similar. That means what you studied for 4 years, the implementation you can see over here. बढ़िया job रहता है यार, and moreover lot of satisfaction. वो बहुत आवश्यक है I believe, क्योंकि if satisfaction नहीं है तो I think useless to work for long hours. Correct or not, dear students? And once you get experience, no doubt the package increments will be very fine in the core companies. Third one, IT sector. Sir, IT मतलब ये सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए ना सर, वो पूरा कंप्यूटर साइंस IT स्टूडेंट्स का कंपनीज है ना सर. Why electrical for IT? That is good question. Students, IT is having multiple sectors, sectorial classification. IT infra, that is one sector. IT AI, artificial intelligence, वो अलग sector है. IT semiconductor, another sector. IT digital, another sector. IT travel is another sector. IT finance is another sector. IT services is another sector. So like that, like a lot of sectors we have in IT industry. IT digital matlab, like the projects related to the digital designs, they need a separate software, separate firmware, FIRM, firmware, separate algorithm, algo coding, cyber security, and server maintenance. So all this software based maintenance will be taken care by IT digital companies. But to write some program or algorithm, they need the support of electronics background, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट्स को पता नहीं ना डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्या, ये सेमीकंडक्टर टेक्नोलॉजी का कॉन्सेप्ट, एम्बेडेड सिस्टम का कॉन्सेप्ट, डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी का कॉन्सेप्ट, CMOS, मॉसफेट रहता है ना, मॉसफेट, CMOS का कॉन्सेप्ट उनको नहीं पता ना डियर स्टूडेंट्स. इसलिए द IT डिजिटल कंपनीज will recruit, of course, computer science IT guarantee. Other than those two branches, they will recruit electronics background also as a supporting team. Now all these streams together will work on the projects of IT digital, and as you belongs to triple E, that means you belongs to electronics, so you are eligible for that also. So IT digital, yes, recruitments are there. IT semiconductor, yes, recruitments are there. IT AI, artificial intelligence, yes, recruitments are there. So मेरा सेमिनार होने के बाद आज आप सर्च कर लीजिए डियर गूगल में, IT डिजिटल का क्या कंपनीज है, IT सेमीकंडक्टर का क्या कंपनीज है, IT AI, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का क्या कंपनीज है, वो लिस्ट प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. प्रिपेयर करने के बाद एक बार वो इंडिविजुअल वेबसाइट्स विजिट कर लीजिए डियर. वो websites में find out the information what they're expecting from electronics. That is a triple E. What they're expecting from triple E, especially electronics. If they're expecting any software, the answer is only G. I'm not talking about soft skills, okay? Software. If they're expecting any software, try to learn that software from tomorrow itself, because a lot of YouTube videos available for free of cost. Or there are some organizations, हमारा हिंदुस्तान में lot of organizations we have which are teaching softwares through online. Try to start learning those softwares from tomorrow itself. Add these flavors to your resume. Our resume must be strong. ऐसा तरीका हम प्लान करना जरूरी है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. थिंक बियॉन्ड द बीटेक. समझ में आए ना गाइस? एवरीबॉडी इन द क्लास प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. सो आईटी डिजिटल, IT semiconductor, IT AI, artificial intelligence. So this is the third variety of private sector. And the fourth, that is nothing but like premium jobs. Premium jobs मतलब कोई company ले लीजिए dear, any company which is giving good package for triple E students. वो companies हम कहता है कि ये premium companies. Like पता है dear, आपको पता है ये बाइजूस मालूम है आप लोग? बाइजूस, आकाश, फिटजी, these are all IIT JEE entrance examination training institutes, right? And 10th class, 11th class, 12th class coaching institutes, right? So they're recruiting you guys as a lecturer. They're recruiting you as a lecturer. So they're giving a very good package. Of course, subject is very important. Teaching skills are very important. They are giving good package, almost like 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs. Yes, a tarika range mein package, बढ़िया package है. So that's why I consider it as like a premium job. Or some companies like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. So these are all recruiting you guys as an analyst-based job. By considering your engineering mathematics as reference, engineering mathematics, analyst-based jobs, that is also a very interesting job. वही हम कहता है कि ये क्या है dear? Premium companies. Like that, lot of premium companies we have. Lot of premium companies. Now tell me dear, how many type of private sectors we covered? The first one is technology-based companies. The second is core companies. Third is IT sector, IT sectorial based companies. Fourth one is premium companies. Okay. From today, you please keep one destination. Okay. What is my destination? You can call it as a target, goal, destination. आपका मर्जी है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But what is the destination? We should start our career with 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs package. That's it. Minimum 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs. वो range से मुझे package चाहिए. I should enter into any job under this range of package. If I want to enter into this range of package, what should I do? Is the research you need to do from today at least. Because my destination, I have a clear picture. 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs package. Guys, understanding or not? So for that purpose, assume you are sitting in this webinar. My target of this webinar is 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs package must be received to the students. That's it. Guys, samajh mein aaya na? For that, first I started with the private sector. Private sector में highest priority हम technology based companies का देने चाहिए dear students. ये second priority का dear core companies. Third priority IT sectorial based companies, and fourth priority premium companies. Dear, now I'll tell you some of the companies. By that you'll get some idea, right? The Boeing company, pata hai dear? Have you ever heard about the Boeing company? The Boeing company, Apple, Google Hardware, General Electric, Apple India, okay, Shell Oil Company, BMW Group, Kirloskar, Tata Electric companies, Adani Power, SunSource, Lanco Industries, DLF Power, Siemens, ABB India Limited, Crompton Greaves, Bajaj Electricals, L&T, Skinder Electric, Bombardier Transportation, Reliance Power, Mitsubishi Electric, Torrent Power, Suzlon Energy, and many more companies we have. In one of my favorite universities, मेरा favorite universities में campus placements हुआ dear. मेरे पास पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन है, ये पैकेज का इन्फॉर्मेशन है, ये जॉब प्रोफाइल का भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है. मैं डिस्प्ले कर लीजिए, मैं डिस्प्ले कर दूंगा डियर, बट माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन इज स्नैपशॉट ले लीजिए डियर, ओके, बिकॉज आई स्ट्रगल्ड अ लॉट टू फाइंड दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके, आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ माय सेमिनार, verify each company in a proper way. What job that company is giving for electrical students, electrical engineering department students. So ध्यान से देख लीजिए वो पूरा snapshots. By that you will get a clear idea about the private sector. समझ में आया dear students? Now देख लीजिए dear, snapshot ले लीजिए please. Yeah, ये first page dear, second page snapshots, third page snapshot, fourth page snapshot, fifth take a snapshot, sixth take a snapshot. My god, 6.5 pages. देख लीजिए डियर, लाइक Zensar Technologies, पता है डियर आपको ये कंपनी का सिनेरियोस पता है? Zensar Technologies, what is the job? Research and Development Engineer. That is the standard for electricals. Robert Bosch, a German-based company, I understand. Robert Bosch. Once you get the job in this Robert Bosch, they will be giving you training in Germany for 6 to 8 months, I believe. But training होने के बाद, they'll be giving you the posting maybe in Germany itself or US, United States of America, I believe, like, or maybe Hindustan, based on their requirements. Like the others, like a premium jobs, assistant professor based jobs. Okay, anyways, Wipro Technologies, Western Digital, Watchisa Corporation, TVS Motors, Texas Instruments, Tata Consultancy Services, like that. If I count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, if I count in this way, almost like 73 options. 73 options came to this particular university, recruited the students of electrical engineering department with the least package 7 lakhs, highest package 39 lakhs, average package 19.16 lakhs. My god, what a package. That is what I explained you before. Hena dears, ये क्या है? Average package for electrical in technology based companies कितना है dear students? 15 to 20 lakhs. That is the range of electrical engineering department market में. So देख लीजिए dear, AMD Advanced Micron Devices Design Engineer का job profile, Analog Devices Design Engineer, American Express Engineer Trainee, Analog Devices APC Audio Processing and Connectivity Applications Engineer, Analog Devices Embedded System for Radar Technology, ANI Technologies Research Engineer, Cisco Hardware Engineer, Citrix, yep, software product based company. I told you already, they're recruiting you to run their algorithms coding. They need the support of electronics because to write those algorithms, right? So together you form a team and you do the work, right? Enphase Embedded Engineer, FITZY Lecturer Premium job, like General Electric core company head here, pata hai General Electric, Thomas Edward Edison, the scientist who invented the bulb, right? He started this company, General Electric. Yeah, multinational core company head here, Goldman Sachs analyst premium job, Google Hardware, HCL Technologies, Hyundai, Indigenai, Intel Technology, Indian Space Research Organization, Jaguar, Land Rover, JP Morgan, like what we say, analyst based job, MathWork, engineering maths based, Micron Technology, IC Design Verification Engineer, Micron Technology, NAND Product Engineers for Singapore. That means the placement हमारे हिंदुस्तान में है dear students, but the job is in Singapore. बढ़िया option है ना dear. Microsoft, NVIDIA, ON Semiconductors, Oracle, PayPal, Qualcomm, Reliance, Rivigo, Salesforce, Samsung Research and Development, SAP Labs, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, Layout Engineer, Tata Consultancy Service, Texas Instruments, I discussed just before. Even Wipro Technologies, this is Project Engineer. Great options, dear. Now the query comes, sir, how can we enter into these type of companies? How can we enter into these type of companies? That is the question to many students. How can we enter into these type of companies? So the answer is only dear. You may have many options, but I believe the option what I'm going to discuss right now will be the best option. What is that? you please find the list of universities in India. सुन लीजिए डियर, ध्यान से प्लीज. Find the list of universities in India which has campus placements. I repeat, which has campus placements for electrical engineering department. कैसे तरीका प्लेसमेंट्स चाहिए मुझे? टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज का प्लेसमेंट्स, कोर कंपनीज का प्लेसमेंट्स, आईटी सेक्टर बेस्ड कंपनीज का प्लेसमेंट्स और प्रीमियम कंपनीज का प्लेसमेंट्स चाहिए मुझे. So the list of universities which has this type of placements, वो list of universities मुझे चाहिए. अरे यार, just 50 into 25 universities फाइंड कर लीजिए डियर, मान लीजिए या 20, ओके, 20 to 25 universities आप ट्राई कर लीजिए. 20 to 25 universities, वो लिस्ट मुझे चाहिए. After finding the list of those universities, try to do post graduation in those universities. Post graduation मतलब एमटेक है डियर, ये केवल 2 साल का प्रोग्राम है. यू कॉल दिस इज अ पीजी डिग्री, आई कॉल दिस इज अ 2 साल का ट्रेनिंग. आई विल कंसिडर दिस एज अ ट्रेनिंग फॉर 2 years. यू कॉल दिस एज अ 2 years डिग्री, आई कॉल इट एज अ 2 years ट्रेनिंग. समझ में आया डियर स्टूडेंट, राइट? सो 2 साल का प्रोग्राम है हमारे हिंदुस्तान में, और एमएस भी है. एमटेक है 2 साल का प्रोग्राम, एमएस भी है. एमएस क्या है सर? हमारा हिंदुस्तान में एमएस ये पूरा रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्राम है डियर, रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्राम. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 2.5 to 3 years का प्रोग्राम. कोई भी ले लीजिए डियर, इधर एमटेक और एमएस. ओके, सो प्लेसमेंट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर प्लेसमेंट्स. सो ट्राई टू फाइंड 20 to 25 universities. So post graduation, try to do the post graduation in technology related courses. Then standard companies will be coming to those universities, recruit you guys with a handsome package. वही मुझे चाहिए. This is what I need exactly. Sir, can you suggest some of the best universities? Yes, you do research. आप research कर लीजिए dear, but I'll suggest you some of the best universities. IISc बेंगलुरु है हमारे पास, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस बेंगलुरु, टॉप 7 IITs भी है डियर. सो अभी तक मैं डिस्प्ले किया ना वो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स IIT चेन्नई का प्लेसमेंट्स है डियर. ये मेरा फेवरेट IIT है डियर. IIT मद्रास, IIT दिल्ली, IIT मुंबई, IIT रुड़की, IIT कानपुर, IIT खड़गपुर, IIT गुवाहाटी, IIT रुड़की. बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी भी है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ये IIT which is at काशी वाराणसी, ग्रेट सेक्रेट प्लेस, राइट? आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप भी है, बिरला इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, बिट्स पिलानी, बिट्स गोवा, बिट्स हैदराबाद, ट्रिपल आईटी हैदराबाद भी है. इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट, वो बहुत बढ़िया यूनिवर्सिटी है, अल्टीमेट कैंपस प्लेसमेंट, यू डोंट बिलीव. इवन ट्रिपल आईटी बेंगलुरु भी है, ट्रिपल आईटी दिल्ली, ये क्या है? इंद्रप्रस्थान इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं है यार, ये इंद्रप्रस्थान इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. और हमारे पास ये क्या है, लाइक बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर, बार्क, पता है डियर? बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर. यू नो, ये यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है डियर, बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है, ये सरकारी का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है डियर. सो दे डू रिसर्च ऑन nuclear engineering. They do research on nuclear engineering. They develop the products of nuclear bomb, nuclear missiles, nuclear design, nuclear devices, nuclear weapons, whatnot. You know dear, today because of Baba Atomic Research Center, हमारा country भारत, it is one of the world famous nuclear powers, that is as per 2021. One of the world famous nuclear powers, that is Bharat. Of course, Russia, it came into the top list of Russia, India, China, it came into the top list. That is not a joke. A big salute to the Baba Atomic Research Center. That is a great thing. That Baba Atomic Research Center is giving you the admission for the course. क्या course है sir? NET. वो क्या है? Nuclear Engineering and Technology. NET. 1 साल का कोर्स है, 2 साल का कोर्स भी है. They will give you training. Sir, 2 years training क्या है sir? अभी मैं एक्सप्लेन किया ना डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है. इफ इट इज यूनिवर्सिटी, हम कहते हैं कि ये 2 years का प्रोग्राम, 2 years का डिग्री, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का डिग्री. ये यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है ना, इसलिए हम कहता है कि ये प्रोग्राम है, ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है. न्यूक्लियर इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का 1 साल का ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम भी है और 2 साल का ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम भी है, वो बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर में. आप 2 साल का प्रोग्राम सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए डियर, क्योंकि यू हैव ए ब्राइट फ्यूचर फॉर दैट 2 years प्रोग्राम रादर देन 1 year प्रोग्राम. 2 years training, that is interesting. In that training period, they provide you the stipends. Stipends they will provide almost like 35,000 to 50,000 per month. My God, stipends 35 to 50,000 है, मतलब पैकेज कितना रहता है सर? बढ़िया पैकेज, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. ये ट्रेनिंग होने के बाद they will conduct some test. If you are selected in that test, they will give you job in BARC itself. Baba Atomic Research Center itself, you will be getting a job. वो सरकारी का नौकरी है, and the job profile is a scientific officer. Scientific officer यार, my God, nuclear engineering and technology का scientific officer. Guys, understanding or not? So even this BARC हम हमारा लिस्ट को ऐड करना चाहिए. लिस्ट क्या है डियर? 20 to 25 यूनिवर्सिटीज का लिस्ट है ना डियर स्टूडेंट्स. सो बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर भी हम ऐड करना जरूरी है. और वन मोर यूनिवर्सिटी, लाइक यू हैव धीरूभाई अंबानी यूनिवर्सिटी, वही बढ़िया यूनिवर्सिटी डियर. सो लाइक दैट you please do the research of finding some 20 to 25 organizations. In those organizations only try to do the post graduation, क्योंकि हमारा टारगेट डिग्री नहीं है यार, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन का डिग्री नहीं है. हमारा टारगेट क्या है डियर स्टूडेंट्स? 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs. ये पैकेज से I should start my life, I should start my job career, earning money, huge money at early age. Then you will become financially freedom. You will get a financial freedom. वो ही चाहिए मुझे. Once you reach 35 to 40 years, you will become financial freedom. Guys, understanding or not, you will be financially getting freedom. That is what achieve the target in that way. So start with the career 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs package. Now, sir, कोई entrance exam रहता है? Yes, most of the universities are asking a common entrance exam, which is nothing but GATE exam, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, which is conducting by top 7 IITs and IISc Bangalore in India. Oh my God, this is really interesting. Not only this, guys, you know, like IIIT Hyderabad, International Institute of Information Technology, it is conducting separate exam other than GATE exam. Aditya Birla Group, Birla Institute of Technology, BITS Pilani, Goa, Hyderabad, conducting separate exam other than GATE exam. Baba Atomic Research Center, BARC, they are giving admission through GATE exam, but without GATE exam also, koi dikkat nahi hai, they're conducting a separate exam. In the similar way, IIIT Delhi, Indraprasthan Institute. So it is also giving admission through GATE exam. If you miss GATE exam, no problem. It is conducting a separate exam other than GATE. We came to know that you can have a back test. That means in the selected list of organizations from 20 to 25 organizations, there are some organizations giving admission without need of GATE exam also. ये बढ़िया choice है dears. If you miss GATE exam also, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So we can go into the technology with another exams also. But the interesting fact is, दूसरे exams है ना dear students, वो exam का syllabus रहता है ना, वो syllabus almost equals to GATE exam का syllabus. Exactly equal to नहीं यार, almost equals to GATE exam का syllabus. इसलिए आप ये syllabus absolutely give it as a highest priority. The syllabus what we have in the GATE exam, try to give it as a highest priority rather than giving priority to the exam. Give high priority for the content, high priority for the concept, high priority for the logic, high priority to the application. That is what we need. Then if you miss this GATE exam, koi dikkat nahi. Here with almost the similar scenario, I have another exams. So if I miss GATE exam also, no problem. My investment waste nahi hua dear. My preparation bhi waste nahi hua. Mera time bhi waste nahi hua. Kyunki with the same preparation, I can go for another exam. That is the way how we need to plan our career. Not only this private sector, even also the government sector, public sector undertaking PSUs. If we go for PSUs, we have PSUs are mainly of three types. One is Maharatna companies, Navratna companies, and Mini Ratna companies. Mini Ratna में more than 70 companies है डियर हमारे पास, इसलिए मैं डिस्प्ले नहीं किया, बहुत ज्यादा कंपनीज है ना हियर. नाउ महारत्ना, नवरत्ना, मिनी रत्ना में प्रीमियम जॉब्स है डियर, प्रीमियम जॉब्स. फॉर प्रीमियम जॉब्स they are asking GATE exam as a common entrance exam. Oh my God. So the companies, I mean to say the organizations or PSUs which are asking GATE exam as an entrance examination, GATE exam as a common entrance exam for premium jobs. Yes, I displayed for electrical engineering. Dekh lijiye, almost 40 companies are asking GATE exam as a common entrance exam for premium jobs. Normal jobs nahi de, premium jobs. Premium jobs matlab kya hai sir? Like executive trainee, graduate trainee, graduate engineer, scientific officer, and etc. वही हम कहते हैं कि ये premium jobs है. Now the interesting fact is, the package and CTC premium jobs में पता है डियर कितना रहता? Almost like 7 lakhs. Depends on the company to company, it will change. 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, even 18 lakhs also. I have seen 2021 notification. My God, I understand about 2021 notification. So BTech freshers ka 18 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 14 lakhs, wo kya hai sir? BTech freshers. I'm not talking about MTech. I'm not talking about experience. I'm talking about BTech freshers. You know what percentage they're asking from BTech freshers? Most of the companies are asking केवल 65%. केवल 65% चाहिए मुझे. आपके लिए कोई रिजर्वेशन है तो below 65% up to some certain extent is accepted. Oh my God. Some companies are asking just 60% first class चाहिए मुझे. कोई रिजर्वेशन है तो below 60% up to some certain extent is accepted. My God, क्या बढ़िया option dear this is. That means even second class students also accepted. Oh my God. Now, sir, entrance exam, yeah, that is what GATE exam, common entrance exam. So once these companies release the notification, आप apply कर लीजिए dear GATE exam score से. They will call you for interviews. क्योंकि GATE exam वही है ना, ये common entrance examination. दूसरे exam नहीं रहता यार mostly. GATE exam एक ही a common entrance exam है. So they will call you for interviews. If you are selected in interviews, वो training देता dear. Training period में training period में वो stipends देता dear. Stipends depends on the company to company. 25,000, 30, 35, 40, 45,000 ऐसा range में stipends रहता and above also. Training होने के बाद based on the rules and regulations of those PSUs, they will give you the I mean to say they will give you the job. What is that package and the CTC? They will give you the allotment, package, and the CTC. समझ में आया ना, dear students? That is the procedure into the premium jobs through the PSUs under the GATE entrance examination. And no doubt, I'm talking about BTech freshers. Underline that carefully. This is really great option, I believe, for a BTech freshers. Not only that, students, have you ever heard about like services? Pata hai dear, services. Indian Administrative Service, IAS. Indian Police Service, IPS. Indian Economic Service, IES. Indian Foreign Service, IFS, and etc. Wo services comes under civil services, whereas there are some special services. देख लीजिए screen में IRS, Indian Railway Service of Electrical Engineers. IRSS, Indian Railway Store Services. Railway Store Service. CEME, Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Service. IDS, Indian Defense Service of Engineers. IIS, Indian Inspection Service. Assistant Directorate Grade 1. ISS, Indian Supply Service Group A. IOFS, Indian Ordnance Factory Service. INAS, Indian Naval Armament Services. Naval Armament Service. AWE, Group A in Corps of EME, Ministry of Defense based. CPE, Central Power Engineering Service under Group B. AWE, Electrical of PNT Building Works, Group A service. That means if you check it out, all these special services are called engineering services. क्या है dear? Engineering services. कोई services ले लीजिए dear. ये civil services या भी engineering services. You are working under President of India. You are the team of President, King of India. Share of India. And dear students, right? So you're working under King. That is not a joke. Not a joke. Guys, the package for, I mean to say, at the initial stage, it is almost like a 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, koi range mein rehta hai. But once your service counts, the sky is the limit for the package, what I believe. And moreover, servicemen, that prestige is different. Working under President, great personality, no doubt about that. Even Prime Minister is not having any right to remove you from the job. That is the beauty here. Because you're not the team of Ministry of India. You're the team of President of India. Whether it is civil services or engineering services, the recruitment committee or selection committee is UPSC. Selection committee indicates the committee which conduct the exam, recruit you guys through interview. That committee, UPSC, Union Public Service Commission head here, UPSC. So engineering services, civil services, ये पूरा UPSC का exam head here. Sir, now what is a scheme of examination? We will discuss. First, let me discuss about GATE exam. Then we will come to the engineering services exam. What is GATE exam? That is the question here. What is GATE exam? It is giving us a great bright future, I understand. What is GATE exam? GATE exam is just 1 day exam. I repeat, एक ही दिन का exam dear. How many marks? 100 marks exam. How many questions? 65 questions exam. The answer is only dear. 1 day exam. 100 marks exam. 65 questions exam. केवल 180 minutes, 3 घंटा का exam dear. 3 hours exam. ये पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव तरह का क्वेश्चन पेपर रहता है डियर. इसमें पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस रहता है. ये 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है या भी 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. The allotment time for 1 mark question, within 2 minutes try to get the answer. The allotment time almost within 4 to 5 minutes to get the answer. So dears, this is a purely computer based test. ये पूरा online का exam है dear. CBT. Objective questions है ना dear. ये objective questions they ask in 3 different ways. ये MCQ first one, multiple choice questions. They will give 4 options. एक ही option सही होता है dear. Second is MSQ, multiple select questions. Multiple select questions में 4 ही options रहता है dear. Out of 4 options, more than 1 option will be correct. More than 1 option. Underline कर लीजिए. How many options are correct? If we identify, then only they allot you the marks. Third one क्या है sir? NAT. ये fill in the blanks. So इसमें fill in the blanks में कोई थियोरी तरह का क्वेश्चंस नहीं देता डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ये पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव तरह का क्वेश्चंस देता. इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि ये नैट क्वेश्चंस, न्यूमेरिकल आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस, नैट क्वेश्चंस. केवल मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस का नेगेटिव मार्किंग है डियर. 1 मार्क क्वेश्चंस का 1/3 नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. 2 मार्क क्वेश्चंस का 2/3 नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. दूसरा तरह का क्वेश्चंस का कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है. एमसीक्यू, एमएसक्यू और नैट का कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है. केवल एमसीक्यू का नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. Fine. Then what about this engineering services? क्योंकि हम स्कीम में कंपेयर करना जरूरी है ना डियर स्टूडेंट्स. इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज ये यूपीएससी का एग्जाम है ना सर? यस. व्हाट इज दिस इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज? इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एक ही दिन का एग्जाम नहीं है डियर. गेट एग्जाम एक ही दिन का एग्जाम, राइट? बट इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज एक ही दिन का एग्जाम नहीं है यार. ये 3 स्टेज का एग्जाम, 3 डिफरेंट स्टेजेस चाहिए. सिलेक्शंस के लिए 3 डिफरेंट स्टेजेस हम क्वालिफाई होना चाहिए. स्टेज 1 क्या है सर? स्टेज 1 ये पूरा प्रिलिमिनरी तरीका स्टेज है डियर. प्रिलिम्स बेसिक स्टेज, प्रिलिम्स प्रिलिमिनरी. इसमें केवल ऑब्जेक्टिव तरीके क्वेश्चंस रहता है यार. इसमें दो पेपर्स है, पेपर 1 या भी पेपर 2. पेपर 1 इज जनरल स्टडीज एंड इंजीनियरिंग एप्टीट्यूड. ये पूरा ब्रांचेस का कॉमन सिलेबस है डियर. इस पेपर हम जरूरी क्वालिफाई होना चाहिए, then only we can go to the next stage. Underline कर लीजिए, many people don't know that. The next is paper 2. ये मजा आता है यार. पेपर 2 में क्या है? Almost 95%. ध्यान रख लीजिए डियर प्लीज. ओके, almost 95% technical syllabus of GATE exam. Almost 95% technical syllabus of GATE exam ये पेपर 2 में है. Oh my god. So if I prepare GATE exam in a proper way, that preparation I can use in this. What a GATE exam. Great. So कितना weightage है? ये पूरा 500 marks का weightage है dear. Preliminary exam 500 marks का weightage है. If I want to reach the stage 2, I must qualify in preliminary. That means cutoff marks of 500 will decide am I going to the stage 2 or not. Super. So cutoff marks हम देखना जरूरी है डियर, है ना. Cutoff marks will change every year dear. It is different for different branches, different for different categories. देख लीजिए डियर, the cutoff marks engineering services examination 2020. So out of 500 marks, ये preliminary का cutoff marks है. General, OBC, SC, ST, physically handicapped first category, physically handicapped second and third category. Students, electrical, I take general as reference based on your category of reference ले लीजिए डियर. 238 marks. Oh my god, this is too much है ना यार. Out of 500, 238 marks and above, bus students went to the second stage. Out of 500, 238 marks and above, students went to the second stage. यार मुझे 400 नहीं चाहिए, 450 नहीं चाहिए, just 238 marks and above. So that's why you know what I suggest. Out of 500, try to get 300 to 330 marks. बस होता है यार, 300 to 330 marks बस. आप स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान कर लीजिए डियर टू गेट 300 to 330 marks. ये प्रीलिम्स में वो बढ़िया रहता. दैट्स इट. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ आई रीच सेकंड स्टेज, you know the good news here. After completion of prelims, Union Public Service Commission will give you the break. After completion of the prelims, Union Public Service Commission will give you the break. Break, yes, because आप prepare करना चाहिए ना डियर. ये क्या है? स्टेज 2 का. सर कितना दिन ब्रेक सर? 2 days or 3 days? नहीं. Maybe 2.5 months, maybe 3 months, maybe more than that. What? Yes, 2.5 to 3 months and above also they may give you the break. My god, yes. Now what is stage 2? ये मेंस एग्जाम. स्टेज 2 हम कहता है कि ये मेंस एग्जाम. इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव तरीका क्वेश्चंस नहीं देता यार, ये पूरा कन्वेंशनल तरीका क्वेश्चंस देता. कन्वेंशनल आपको पता है ना डियर. कन्वेंशनल क्या है? ये बीटेक पैटर्न का क्वेश्चंस है डियर. वो क्या है सर? वो क्वेश्चंस देता है यार, हम आंसर्स लिखना चाहिए. कोई डायग्राम से तो वी नीड टू गो फॉर द डायग्राम्स. कोई मैथमेटिकल डेरिवेशन है तो डेरिवेशंस करना चाहिए, राइट. दैट इज वी कंसिडर देम एज कन्वेंशनल. इसमें भी 2 पेपर्स है डियर, पेपर 1 या भी पेपर 2. ये दोनों पेपर्स में केवल टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स रहता है. एप्टीट्यूड, इंग्लिश, वो सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं रहता यार, केवल टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स रहता. दैट मीन्स ऑलमोस्ट गेट एग्जाम का सब्जेक्ट्स विथ एक्स्ट्रा सिलेबस और ट्रेंडिंग, लेटेस्ट ट्रेंडिंग का सब्जेक्ट्स भी है इसमें. अपडेटेड, अपग्रेडेड, ये बढ़िया सब्जेक्ट्स रहता है डियर्स. कितना वेटेज है? 600 मार्क्स का वेटेज. नाउ if I want to reach stage 3, stage 3 क्या है सर? ये फाइनल स्टेज है डियर, इंटरव्यू, पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट. if I want to reach stage 3, मैं प्रीलिम्स और मेंस दोनों स्टेजेस में क्वालिफाई होना चाहिए. प्रीलिम्स और मेंस. प्रीलिम्स 500 मार्क्स है ना डियर, मेंस 600 मार्क्स, इसलिए टोटल 1100 मार्क्स. So cutoff marks of 1100 will decide am I going to final stage, interview or not. अब देख लीजिए डियर, इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज 2020 1100 मार्क्स का कट ऑफ. सो इलेक्ट्रिकल है ना, जनरल है ना, हमारा रेफरेंस पॉइंट 578. ओ माय गॉड, आउट ऑफ 1100 just 578 marks and above students went to interview. Sir, why cutoff marks are very less? Come on dear, competition kidhar hai dear. How many students knows about this engineering services? Very few students, they know about engineering services. In that very few students, they are writing this engineering services. कंपटीशन कम है तो रिस्क कम रहता है ना डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कट ऑफ भी कम रहता, रिस्क कम रहता. दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट एडवांटेज. इसलिए आप ये एग्जाम जरूरी प्लान करना चाहिए डियर. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग जॉब इज वेरी हाई because of very less competition. This is the way how we need to decide our career, guys. So anyways, if you ask me out of 1100 how many marks are advisable, I always suggest 700 to 730. 700 to 730, but you will be in the safest plane. Okay, again a good news. क्या है सर, मेंस एग्जाम होने के बाद यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन again they will give you break to prepare for interview. How many days? Almost 1.5 month to 2 months, maybe more than that. Oh my god, for interview preparations. Yes, but your option hai na dears. So thank you to UPSC, right? So interview ka kitna weightage hai sir? 200 max. Total weightage 1100 max plus 200, 1300 max. So cutoff max of 1300 will decide did I selected or not, correct or not. So dekh lijiye, engineering services examination 2020 finally recommended candidate out of 1300 max ka cutoff weightage dekh lijiye. Electrical just 746 marks and above, enough. Recommended candidate finally, my god, out of 1300 just 746 marks and above. That's why you please plan for, I take general as reference, but you please plan for 830 to 850 max. Oh बढ़िया रहता है यार, 830 to 850 max बस dear, बस in that way आप strategy build up कर लीजिए dear, that is enough. अब बता दीजिए dear, ये tough exam? No. See the cutoff max and how many times, in how many ways the GATE exam is supporting you guys. That is fantabulous. Now what is the syllabus of GATE exam sir? देख लीजिए स्क्रीन में मैं डिस्प्ले किया. What is GATE exam weightage dear? 100 marks है ना, 100 marks is the weightage of GATE exam. Out of 100 marks, almost like 25 to 30 marks, 25 to 30 marks the weightage is for non-technical subjects, whereas 70 to 75 marks the weightage is for technical subjects: electrical machines, electric circuits and fields, control systems, power systems, industrial power electronics, signals and systems, analog electronic circuits, measurements, digital electronic circuits and microprocessors. That's it. वही है, like वही subjects है GATE में. एक बार काउंट कर लीजिए डियर, आई थिंक यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट 11 सब्जेक्ट्स. केवल 11 सब्जेक्ट्स गेट एग्जाम में है डियर. दैट इज डिसाइडिंग द पैकेज ऑफ 8 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 18 lakhs, 30 lakhs. माय गॉड, बीटेक में 52 सब्जेक्ट्स है यार, इसमें केवल 11 सब्जेक्ट्स है. डिसाइडिंग योर एंटायर करियर ऑफ, आई थिंक, द फ्यूचर. Correct or not, my dear boys and girls, right? So the GATE exam का subjects and their previous years weightage of each subject में display किया, केवल आपका reference purpose में display किया dear. And you know, if you concentrate on these subjects are very important subjects of BTech first year, second year and third year. Final year का कोई subjects GATE exam में नहीं है, इसलिए even final year students can write GATE exam. And for getting admission in IITs, GATE exam score is valid for 3 years. And you know, my dear boys and girls, sir, how many times I can write GATE exam? GATE exam का कोई age limit नहीं है dear. GATE exam का कोई number of attempts का limit भी नहीं है. So that is the great news and great chance for you guys to go and prepare for GATE exam. Now, you know, let me assume you have taken admission to prepare for GATE exam. Assume you have chosen an organization. Commonly, I always choose an organization where huge strength exists. Like if anybody asks me, I want to prepare for civil services, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, which is the best coaching institute. If anybody asks me, because I'm the faculty, if I don't know the answer, then I tell them, choose any institute which has huge strength in that. Huge number of batches must be there. Why so? Simple logic. Let me assume I have one engineering college. In that engineering college, electrical, keval 2 batches a year. So the professor who is teaching power systems, in 1 year, he should repeat that power systems keval 2 times. So average, assume every year that professor is repeating 4 times, because sometime maybe 4 batches, 6 batches may be there. Na? Average, a professor repeating power systems 4 times in 1 year. If that professor is having 10 years of teaching, let me say 10 years of teaching. So in the total 10 years of his teaching experience, 10 into 4 times, 40 times he repeated the power systems. So Guru Devo Bhava, no doubt, that is great. 40 times repeating the power systems, teaching the power systems is not a joke. That shows experience, great experience. Whereas, if I have an organization with a huge number of batches, for example, let me consider ACE Academy. Let me consider ACE Engineering Academy. Dear, the classroom strength, I mean to say classroom batches, in the classroom coaching, the classroom batches, almost what we will be having almost for electrical, at least you could expect almost like a 10 batches to 15 batches every year. Let me say 10 batches, average 10 batches. Now the professor who is teaching power systems, he is teaching 10 times in 1 year, 10 times. Say I'm talking an approximate value, 10 times in 1 year. That too IIT standards. A professor who repeat the subject 10 times in 1 year under IIT standards, if he has 10 years of experience, 10 into 10, 100 times he taught the same subject. Then that professor know how to teach under IIT standard. That professor know how to inject the concepts into the student's brain. That professor know the logics. That professor know the time saving techniques. That professor know the shortcuts. That professor know how to interrelate the topic, one topic to another topic, how to interconnect the concept of one concept to another concept. He know that. That professor know, because of hundreds of batches teaching experience. Guys, correct or not, dear students? ACE Academy, established in 1995. It is not yesterday or day before yesterday. Running since 1995. Understand the quality. 20,000 students are joining in academy indicates. 20,000 students, they're taking admission indicates. Understand the quality of the professor, the clarity, the conviction on what they're teaching to the students. Dear students, first of all, faculty must be having conviction, clarity, conviction, whatnot. So once a student take admission in ACE Academy, you will be provided with the material. For every subject, we provide 2 books here. First one, volume 1. A pura theory type book, dear students, which is under IIT standards, GATE level, which contains standard examples. After completion of every unit, we'll be giving a lot of questions, numericals, where the professors who are teaching in the class, they will be solving those. For your practice purpose, we are giving second book. वो हम कहता है कि वर्कबुक पूरा प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए डियर. A standard questions, numericals, including answers and solutions. ये बुक प्रैक्टिस होने के बाद आप ये बुक कंसिडर कर लीजिए, बिट्स एंड बाइट्स। इसमें पूरा गेट एग्जाम का सिलेबस 1116 न्यूमेरिकल्स रहता है, क्वेश्चंस न्यूमेरिकल्स 1116 क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स न्यूमेरिकल्स एंड सॉल्यूशंस रहता है यार। ये नेक्स्ट लेवल का क्वेश्चंस है कंपेयर टू दिस वर्कबुक, ये नेक्स्ट लेवल है। दैट इज अ वेरी 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 स्टैंडर्ड, दैट्स इट। प्रीवियस गेट क्वेश्चंस, प्रीवियस इंजीनियरिंग सॉल्यूशंस क्वेश्चंस भी प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए डियर। फैकल्टी का नोट्स प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, दे विल डिक्टेट द नोट्स ना डियर। And a handbook which contains all the formulas we are providing you. Not only that, we are conducting topics wise exams. Plan kar lijiye dear. Completion of the subject wise exam, yes, आप plan कर लीजिए। Total syllabus होने के बाद syllabus wise exam, full length mock test. Not only that, we are providing practice test under like the GATE standards, which including answers, solutions, numericals, whatnot. Okay, dear students. So we are providing whatever needed to the students. That is for sure. That is for sure. Now it is the students' responsibility to have a proper preparation strategy to decide the career in a proper way. Because our target is not to crack the GATE exam. Our target is to crack the target. Where our target is what? 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs package से मेरा life शुरू होना चाहिए, मेरा career अर्निंग करियर शुरू होना चाहिए, है ना डियर स्टूडेंट्स। वी हैव क्लासरूम कोचिंग, बट बिकॉज ऑफ पैंडेमिक वी डिड नॉट स्टार्टेड क्लासरूम कोचिंग एवरीवेयर। सो वी हैव ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लासेस, आप रजिस्टर कर लीजिए डियर इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड। वी हैव डीप लर्न, ये क्या, ये रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो क्लासेस। सो पूरा गेट एग्जाम का इंजीनियरिंग सिलेबस, इंजीनियरिंग एग्जामिनेशंस का टोटल सिलेबस, टोटल वीडियोस अपलोड किया, still updating and upgrading also. So those recorded videos if you want to access, आप एक बार ये पूरा पेज स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए डियर। यू प्लीज गो टू गूगल प्ले स्टोर, टाइप डीप लर्न, ये एंड्रॉयड ऐप है डियर, ऐसा तरीका लोगो रहता है। आप वो लोगो दैट मीन्स वो ऐप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए। इसमें थोड़ा डेमो वीडियोस रहता है यार, which are accessible for free of cost. Just spare some time to access those videos. If you love the technology what we have used, then go for subscription. Give a good rating in the Google Play Store. Go for subscription. 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months. Aapka marzi dear. The students who get subscription, who take subscription, these are all the benefits you are going to get and very less cost. For example, like 12-month subscription, if you take for GATE exam, the fees is almost like 35,000 rupees. That's it. Whereas if it is live class, it is almost 55,000 to 60,000 rupees. If it is classroom coaching, almost like 60 to 65,000, I believe. Whereas for recorded videos, infinite number of times you could replay those videos, just 35,000 rupees, that too for 12 months. Infinite number of times you could repeat those videos. These are all the features you're going to get. Out of all, I love this feature. What is this? 24/7. I repeat, 24/7. Any time, any subject in that subscription, any subject, any video, any topic, any question, any numerical, you can ask to the professor anytime, 24/7. Early morning 3 o'clock also you can ask the doubt. Professors will give you reply. Not only that, professors will come live to clarify your doubts. I believe for college going students, this is the best. The best. This is what I strictly believe. And here in this deep learn, you need not to pay fee at a time. You can use this EMI option. Convert into EMI. And as you attended my webinar, take this is also a screenshot dear. ये भी screenshot ले लीजिए. A special gift I am giving you. Use this code Trinath10. Any product in the deep learn before subscription, use the code Trinath10. You will be getting instant 10% discount. So if the fees is 35,000 rupees, 10% discount. So you'll be getting almost the fees for 31,000. That fees you please convert into EMI. Convert into EMI. I think that will never disturb any commitments to your parents, what I believe seriously. Guys, correct or not, dear students? In this way, plan your career here. So we're always with you. The previous success rate of ACE Academy, Engineering Services top ranks of ACE Academy, 2015 to 2020 Engineering Services selections metrics of ACE Academy dear students, and GATE 2021 top ranks of ACE Academy, and GATE result matrix top 100 ranks from 2016 to 2021 of ACE Academy. Everything I displayed. Now this is your choice to select your career dear students. Option is yours. So once you're planning to go for the GATE exam, plan for ACE Academy. That will really support you like anything. And best is deep learn. Go for a deep learn. The best for college going students. Any further queries you have, visit our official website, the mail ID and the contact numbers. You can communicate with those contact numbers. They will guide you in a proper way. So this is what I want to share with you. Thank you so much for the college management for giving a great chance. Thank you, my dear students of EEE, for attending this webinar with a great patience. Thank you, Dinesh, for conducting such a wonderful session. Dinesh ji, please continue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Have a wonderful session, sir. And first of all, I have to convey my thanks to MS Speedway College Management for giving this great chance. And my special thanks to Patnaik, sir, Head of the Department, EEE. And my special thanks to Professor Kailas Bedkar, sir, for coordinating this webinar. And students, if you have any queries, you can unmute yourself, and or else you can use chat box also.